Good morning. Well, we survived the night in our first Walmart in Mexico, in Tehuacan, on our way to Oaxaca today. But something dawned on me yesterday. It was kind of funny and annoying both. Was Mexico's answer to backup sensors is to have a guy in the Walmart parking lot with a whistle and guiding people out of their parking spots and blowing that bloody whistle all day and half the night. But just imagine how many more people we'd have employed at home if we didn't have backup sensors in our vehicles and replace them with a person. Just a thought for the day. Okay, so this is how they do it in Mexico. They'd have a heart attack at home if they've seen this, but it's courtesy to pull over to the right if somebody's passing you, and the other people need to pull over too on the other side so that you can get over. Now, as crazy as that may seem to people in North America, or I mean US and Canada, it's in a very efficient system that I find far safer than sitting behind somebody going 50 kilometers an hour with 10 cars behind them, all somewhat pissed off because they can't get by this one guy. So the people are actually pretty good drivers here, and this works really, really well, and absolutely makes driving much easier. Yeah, so we just came to a truck stop here, and one of my sumo springs on the front came off on the one side out of the spring, the groove. Must have been a tope or something like that, but I had the tie wraps in there, and they broke, and the thing came partially out so you could hear it squeaking when we'd hit a bump. So the guy came and jacked it up, and I got it back in, and he put some tie wraps back on it, and for $5 she's done. So I'm just waiting right now. We're supposedly got a pressure washer, and we're gonna try and give Freedom a wash here, because she's been over 5,000 miles and she's getting pretty dirty, man. So we're just waiting for him to come on. Okay, we're in action now. It's a little while. We're on Mexican time here, but they brought a truck over with a tote of water and their pressure washer. So it looks like Freedom's gonna get a good bath here. So this is their back workshop. Looks like they sleep here too. Got a little table over there and their beds and some stuff, and there's a whole bunch of tires too. So it's quite the outfit here. Looks like they're doing a good job. That thing is so bloody dirty, man. I'll tell you, it's gonna take some scrubbing. Quite the outfit they got going here. I'm just glad I ran into them. I haven't had a real easy time finding a car wash. Maybe I wasn't looking in the right spots. So, an hour later, there's 3 of them, and they're still working on it, and believe me, they're working hard. One's shampooing, another's pressure washing it, and the other guy's chamoying it down. And they did the roof too, the solar panels. They're doing a heck of a job, man. It's a lot of work. So I sent Elaine to go and get them a Coca-Cola. So anyhow, we're getting there.
Hello again.
Wow, that stop was a 2-hour wash, buff, and shine. I can't believe how thorough those guys were. It was amazing. And
got a new vehicle out of this.
We got a new vehicle, man. I couldn't ask for a better job. So it was quite awesome to run into such great guys. And believe me, it wasn't that expensive either, but I gave him a tip. So anyhow, onward we go.